Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to manage your Stitch privacy settings for all of your videos on TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's first open up our TikTok app. It's there. Let's go to our profile first. You can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your phone. Tap there. You can see the settings pop out, and you can see the settings and privacy option. Tap there, and let's go to the privacy option, which is the second one under the category account. Let's tap there, and you can see the Stitch option is over here on the downside. You need to scroll a little bit down, and you can see the Stitch option over here. Just tap there. I currently selected the option only me because I don't want anybody to stitch with my videos, and if you want the same thing, you can select the only me option. If you want your friends to be able to stitch with your videos, then select the friends option. You can see by just tapping it, the red icon will glow on the friends option, which means that now only your friends can stitch with your video. And if you want everybody to be able to stitch with your videos, select the everyone option over here. Tap here like this, and after the everyone option has glown red, everyone who can see your TikTok will be able to make stitches with you. So there guys, managing Stitch privacy settings for all of your videos is this easy. In other words, allowing the fact that anybody can or everyone can stitch with your videos or not is this easy in TikTok. And if you have any questions or comments regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos.